Yo, let's get serious about this shit. Let's get serious about this shit, man. One of our presidents, one of our beautiful, beautiful presidents, our 16th president of the United States, Abraham Lincoln, was gunned down. He was gunned down while he was just trying to watch a play with his baby mom, man. That shit ain't cool, man. Let's go. Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, what were you thinking? Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, your boy's thinking. Abraham Lincoln, what were you thinking? Yeah, you went to that play, you got shot in the head by John Wilkes Booth. Oh baby, I'm in the booth, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. Abraham Lincoln, February 12th, 1809 to April 15th, 1865, was an American statesman and a lawyer who served as the 16th president of the United States from 1861 to 1865. Lincoln led the nation through its great moral, constitutional, and political crisis known as the Civil War. He preserved the Union, abolished slavery, strengthened the federal government, and monetized the U.S. economy. Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? Lincoln was born in poverty in a log cabin. One was raised on the frontier, primarily in Indiana. And he self-educated and became a lawyer, the Whig Party leader, Illinois state legislator, and U.S. congressman from Illinois. In 1849, he returned to his law practice, but became vexed by the opening of additional lands to slavery as a result of the Kansas-Nebraska Act. He re-entered politics in 1854, becoming a leader in the new Republican Party, and he reached a national audience in 1858 debates against Stephen Douglas. Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, what were you thinking? Your buddy's thinking. Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln. Rest in peace to GOAT, Abraham Lincoln.